Hey, what's going on, guys? So we are playing Faily Breaks. So yeah, let's get right into it. Oh yes, I'm safe. Super jump. Slow motion. No, don't back the. Ah. Oh, I figure. We got. I think I'm gonna change my car. I like that one, but the Scooby-Doo. My class. I like that one. Slow motion again, that's my favorite item ever. Go this way. Don't go to this. Okay, we're safe. So guys, subscribe and leave a comment. What do you want to see? Yay! We are doing this. My high score is getting better. Don't get it yet. Checkpoint, so it's not. Yes. No, I missed it. I tried to crash. I got new best. 9 go to go. I think I'm gonna buy a car. Again. So yeah, we can choose and be first person. No. Whee! No! I got into a car. Yay! Whee! I mean, this car looks like Fast and Furious. No! Again. So the next video is gonna be toward this month, okay guys? Okay. No! 2-car crash. I hate this game. Maybe that's better. Whee! Train again. No! I'm done. This is so annoying. Yeah, we're gonna get a car. We have bit. Fuck. I mean car. Go. I won this old car. We cannot hit it out, okay guys? Or like in first person. Kinda look cool, but in first person it's kinda like the oldest ones, the cars. So yeah, subscribe. That is a stupid dumb ramp. Okay guys, so leave a like and peace out. Bye.